How many tentacles does an octopus have and what are their functions? Octopuses are complex and intelligent marine animals. Of course, if you're new to the channel, you already know, subscribe and leave a like. Octopuses are believed to be the most intelligent species of all invertebrate animals, as explained by Encyclopaedia Britannica, the UK's knowledge platform, to the point of being admired for their cognitive capacity. They are also often the subject of documentaries and books about how they live, including the bestseller Other Minds, The Octopus, the Sea, and the Deep Origins of Consciousness. Deep Origins of Consciousness. In free translation, from 2016, and written by Australian philosopher and Professor Peter Godfrey Smith. In his book, Godfrey Smith, who is also a diver, explores the curiosities, intelligence, and functionalities of octopuses. To learn more about this interesting and complex mollusk, discover how many tentacles they have and what their main functions are. How many tentacles does an octopus have? All octopuses have 8 flexible tentacles, according to Britannica, with each of them having around 300 suckers divided into 2 rows. The common octopus, Octopus vulgaris, has a head that is slightly more pronounced in relation to the body and 2 large eyes. Other species of octopus have certain physical variations, but never in terms of their tentacles. It is worth mentioning that all species are invertebrate animals. These mollusks vary greatly, for example, in size. The smallest species of octopus, Octopus arborescens, is about 5 centimeters long, while the largest species, the giant reddish-pink Pacific octopus, Enteroctopus delphini, can reach 5.4 meters long and have an arm span of almost 9 meters, as detailed in the Encyclopaedia Britannica. What are the functions of octopus tentacles? According to the article, how can the octopus control its flexible body and full of tentacles so efficiently? Published on the website of the State University of São Paulo, Unesp, an educational reference in Brazil, each octopus tentacle has 2 rows with several fleshy suction cups that have great retention power. The combination of the flexibility of their tentacles and suction cups allows octopuses to grasp and examine anything and is a distinguishing feature among marine animals. Thus, the octopus uses its tentacles for different functions, such as picking up food and taking it to its mouth, opening shells, catching animals hidden among corals or under rocks, and also performing different types of movements. Locomotion, as octopuses move by crawling along the seabed. However, as the Encyclopaedia Britannica explains, when they are frightened they can quickly move backwards. You might be interested in Smart octopus tries to steal fisherman's bait. The suction cups on octopus tentacles also have several sensory receptors, especially at the tip, being able to recognize textures and flavors. It is through them that the octopus gets a taste of the environment it is in and the objects it finds, as explained in the Unesp article. A curious fact about this animal is that when octopuses feel threatened, they eject a dark liquid from their siphon, and this substance, when produced by some species of mollusk, can even paralyze the sensory organs of the possible attacker. ADW, Animal Diversity Web, animal database from the University of Michigan, in the United States, explains that common octopuses are found in tropical, subtropical and temperate waters between the surface and a depth of 100 to 150 meters. Because of this, they are easily seen in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, near Japan, and in the Mediterranean Sea, being very popular animals in various parts of the world.